The iPhone 17 is almost here. Apple's next big release is just weeks away, and leaks suggest everything from a bold new camera redesign to faster displays and smarter AI features. But with potential price hikes on the horizon, the big question is, should you upgrade or wait? Here's what you need to know about the iPhone 17 lineup. Small diamond camera refresh. A new pill-shaped or horizontal camera bar on the back is expected, giving it a more pixel-like look, but with Apple's signature finishing touch. The Pro models retain triple lenses, while all models could eventually feature a 24-megapixel selfie camera, perfect for TikTok and Instagram creators. Small diamond display refresh. Apple is rumored to finally offer a 120Hz refresh rate on all iPhone 17 models, a big plus for those who don't buy the Pro model. The base iPhone could also grow slightly to 6.3 inches, and the Pro models could possibly feature an anti-glare display like Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra. Small diamond performance and AI. Depending on which leak you believe, the iPhone 17 could feature the A18 or A19 chip, while the new iOS 26 with Apple Intelligence AI improves multitasking, camera features, and battery life. RAM could reach 12 GB on higher-end models. Small diamond battery life. The iPhone 17 Pro Max could feature a 5000 mAh battery, the largest ever in an iPhone, while iOS 26's adaptive power feature helps even the smallest models last longer. Small diamond design and manufacturing. Apple maintains a refined appearance, but the iPhone 17 Air could be thinner with a titanium frame. Small diamond release date. Apple's event is expected for September 9 and 10, 2025. Reservations will begin that week, and official sales will begin on September 12 or 19. Small diamond budget. Analysts warn of a possible $50 price increase due to tariffs and rising component costs. This means iPhone 17, $829 iPhone 17 Air, $979 iPhone 17 Pro, $1,049 iPhone 17 Pro Max, $1,249. Subscribe our YouTube channel for latest updates of smartphone.